Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to turn your Zoom or Meet transcript into polished SOPs using ChatGPT, and it takes just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here's how it works. After your meeting, grab the transcript of Zoom or even Otter.ai and paste it into ChatGPT and say, turn this into a step-by-step SOP for whatever you like. ChatGPT will structure it into titles, sections, bullet points, and numbered steps, saving tons of time. If the first draft isn't quite right, you can refine it by asking ChatGPT to add a summary, include necessary tools, or flesh out certain sections. When you're happy, copy the final SOP into Google Docs, Notion, and that's it. This is how you can create the SOPs easily from your meeting notes using AI. If this tutorial helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.